Hi everyone, Dr. Rob Kominairek at ReNue Health. So today we're going to talk about delivery systems for testosterone. One of the questions I often get is, hey Dr. Rob, how am I going to take my testosterone? Well, the reality is there's multiple delivery methods that we can use. Now, how do we decide what delivery method is going to be best for you? Well, that depends. It depends on your history, your physical, what do you do for work? What are your goals? What do your laboratory values look like? Will dictate what kind of delivery system are we going to use. Is it going to be a transdermal? And is that transdermal going to be in a cream or is it going to be in a gel? Will it be injectable testosterone? And if it's injectable, well, which ester are we going to use? Or it could even be in a pellet form, where we put it under the skin. Could be a patch, could be a capsule. But there's a multitude of factors that we take into play as to decide which is the best delivery system for you to help you achieve your goal. So when you're thinking about taking testosterone, realize that there's a lot of different delivery methods that you can use. Each of them has their pros and cons, and any doctor can make any one of these delivery methods work for you. But what you want to understand is what's going to work best for you to help you optimize your hormones, optimize your health and fitness goals, and isn't going to have any negative impact on you with respect to your health. Because, for example, we may want to be using a bioidentical testosterone based on what your lipid profile looks like, where we don't want to use a synthetic testosterone. It could be that the kind of work that you do is going to dictate that we need to use an injectable methodology. So there's different delivery systems that we can use to help you achieve your goal. What you want to do is make sure that you're informed of the different delivery methods and which one's going to work best for you to help you achieve your health and fitness goals, and that isn't going to have a negative impact on your health, your wellness, and your well-being. So if you need more assistance with this, just feel free to get a hold of us and be happy to help you with it. But remember, there's different delivery systems that can be used to deliver testosterone to help you achieve your health and wellness goals. So all the best to your health and wellness and creating the ultimate you.